to review a toy. This is toy review. This is the Iron Man Mark 43 from Age of Ultron. This is a regular Iron Man. He comes with another head, but I don't know where it is. And it comes with a Thanos leg. If you go to those other toy reviews, it should say it. Well, I'm gonna start with he has his arms can go up, and he has some arm joints or elbow joints. His hands can go all the way around, turn all the way around like that. He has one fist, and he has one like repulsor ray, like that, like this. And then he also has some knee joints that can go all the way over here. And then his feet can go like this or something. His feet can go like this, and like that. And I really like the detail, but on mine there's a little red. And he's hot red, and he's gold, and he's gold and silver a little. This is his eyes, and his heart reactor. So that's it for the review. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.